Should we leave Mom and Dad at the end?
As you can see, I'm right near a ramp. The animals will come running down off this ramp. And this place is amazing. I'm going to turn my phone off soon. But I did want to show you the size of this place. Yeah, some people like to sit up in the balcony, but I'm a floor guy. They have the main stage here, and they have 3 ramps where the animals come running right off the stage right by it. And then you can't see up here because the curtains are drawn, but they have, the stage goes all the way around. It's like 3 stages for this thing. There's stuff going on everywhere. And then of course, the stage right there as well. And everybody's eating their glazed almonds, but I'm still stuffed from the beef brisket. I'll get some to take back. So right here, this is a whole nother side stage. Each side has a huge, set props and everything. It's really quite an operation they got here.
67. Okay.
So that's that. Can't wait. I won't be able to film the show or anything or take pictures, but I wanted you to see the size of this place. It's magnificent. It's just awesome. It's like seeing a Broadway play, a musical, and an opera all rolled into one. Real top shelf production. Look at those glazed almonds, man. I'm going to be taking a bag back with me to have later. I'm going to enjoy the show.